We're getting our first real glimpse at what the iPhone 18 Pro's new colors might look like, and one of them is turning heads. Leaked dummy units, shared by leaker Sonny Dickson, reveal 3 potential finishes for this year's Pro lineup: a deep, rich tone he's calling dark cherry, a cool, light blue, and the possible return of black, a finish Apple skipped last year. The dark red direction isn't a surprise. Rumors pointing to a deep crimson or burgundy shade go all the way back to October 2025, when multiple sources flagged it as the marquee color for the iPhone 18 Pro. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman later clarified that what appeared to be multiple colors were actually Apple experimenting with 3 different variations of the same deep red. What makes dark cherry strategically interesting isn't just aesthetics, it's the Chinese market. Red holds deep cultural significance in China, associated with luck, joy, and prosperity. Some analysts believe a bold red iPhone could outperform last year's cosmic orange, which was itself a massive hit in the region. Now, a word of caution. These are dummy units, not actual Apple devices. They're typically built by case manufacturers using CAD specs that leak from Apple's supply chain, and they aren't produced with Apple's materials or precision. Lighting, finish quality, and manufacturing tolerances mean the real thing could look quite different. Last year's iPhone 17 Pro dummies were actually decent color predictors, but they also showed a black model that never made it to shelves. So take these photos as a compelling directional hint, not a final reveal. Apple's actual dark cherry, whatever it ends up being called, will almost certainly pop even harder than what we're seeing here. Stay tuned.